couple of moments of reorganization and reorganization. For now, I guess we'll keep this setup like so, which I think is pretty cool. Jasmin has all her baby paraphernalia right over here. Look at that, look at it.
We're excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Your dad's excited. Worked all night for you. Had some luck. I don't know. Hopefully you don't. I mean, we gotta buy some more. We didn't stock up on more junk.
We got baby cushions. We don't have the mattress yet for the crib and the changing table, but we'll get that soon.
You see the baby gear?
Yeah.
This thing we got for 75% off during customer appreciation. Best buy ever. And it has the set with the light too. I'm like, this was an awesome buy. I'm pretty excited. When the mattress gets here, I'll set that up.
And we got the diaper pail. Cool.
I even got toys. Got this at the Sea Paradise. I don't know if you remember that video.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a seal. We've got like an animal theme, I guess.
So what do you want to say to baby H?
We love you very much. We've been very excited. All kinds of toys for you.
And
waiting for you forever. A long time.
Who do we have to thank for all these nice stuff?
Grandma. Grandma and me and everybody. It seems like everyone's been pitching in, but I miss Mom and especially the guy up above. He blessed us. He seriously blessed us.
Most definitely. We are blessed. Alright, so this is Mark.
Jasmin.
So we are done for today. All the baby construction is now over. All that's left is to buy a couple of more things and we're all set. Big thanks to Jasmin's parents for the brand new spanking crib, which I guess not only is for babies but toddlers as well.
Yeah, it's like a toddler changeover. So yeah, it was really, really what's the word? Generous of her to go and get us this stuff.
It's definitely a big help because not only the crib, it's a baby crib, it's also for toddlers, and when they grow up, it converts into a actual full-size bed. So, and we already have the box frame for that, so we are set for the kid's life already, right?
Yeah, right. For the material things, I don't know if I'll ever be ready for baby H.
Yeah.
Everything. They don't have a manual for that.
Well, we're pretty prepared. So this will be our first child, and we're really excited. I know, right? So, all right. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, GM Kafuna. I put up a video every week or so. As always, take care and peace out. Cheese.